All right, so a question that keeps coming up is how do I get the fill color working? So if you look at this code here, it's very simple, and what it does is draws a triangle using a for loop. You'll notice that I have import turtle at the very top as the first line of code, and that's the way it should go. Import should be the first line of code in your program. And then we have our turtle creation, window creation next. Then we should have our variables being initialized. Right? I guess that would be a part of the turtle code, so we go like that. And then we have our algorithm, right? Algorithm. So your program should follow the same structure. And then here in the for loop, you'll notice that I used an underscore, right? Well, when you use an underscore when you're not going to use this variable in the body of your for loop. Like for example, if I had I here, that means that I should probably use I. So like I would need to like print line I, right? So then as I save and run it, you'll see right here it prints like what side of the triangle it's on. So when you're using this temporary variable for the for loop, then you want to have it be a letter. Typically it's I first, then J, and then K. But if you're not going to use it, the convention, the way that programmers normally do this, is they put an underscore here. And so I'm not going to use it in this program, so I'm putting in underscore, and I run it, and it draws the first line, turns, draws another line, turns, draws another line, turns. It makes a triangle. How do I get it to be a certain color? Right? It's pretty simple. What you want to do is right here in the algorithm, you want to say the turtle name t.color, and if we put the first color as being red, then we run it, you'll notice now the pen color is red. Right? We know that. The way to get the fill color going is you put a comma. And each of these pieces of data that you're passing, we call it passing to the method color, are called arguments. So the first argument is the pen color. The second argument is going to be the fill color. So if I run that, boom, it doesn't fill it in blue. Why not? Well, after doing that, you need to say t.begin underscore fill, and then draw the shape. When you're finished drawing the shape, you're going to say t.end underscore fill, and now if I run it, perfect, right? And so there are other tricks that we can do. Here in the algorithm, we can also say like pen underscore color is equal to input enter pen color, like that. And then we could also say fill underscore color is equal to input enter fill color. Whoa, color. And then now that we have the pen color inside the variable called pen color, we have the fill color inside the variable called fill color, we can replace these two arguments with those variable names. So like pen underscore color, comma, fill underscore color. And now the user could determine what the color is of the triangle. So I run it, pen color is going to be blue, fill color is going to be red. Now you see the pen color is blue, the fill color is red. Voila, you can now create shapes that have certain colors.